Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another early start this morning, 5 a.m. We got this 2005 Crew Cab Silverado in for a reklez under bed notch. Let's go ahead and get this bed tore down and get this thing ready. All right, getting there. As you saw, bed's off. Had to take out the bed liner so I can access the factory bed hooks. I'll finish putting that on after I go wash my hands, getting my tape all dirty up there. Then we'll get the notches out, set them in place, mark where I need to clean up the frame. We'll clean up the frame, set the notches in place, and tack them on and get going with that. Moving right along, man. These early mornings, I can really knock some stuff out. I prefer working in the morning than the evenings. You guys need any notches done, any work done, hit me up. This customer came from down below Tampa. I got people coming from all over, so don't hesitate. Hit me up if you have any questions, you want any work, give you a quote. Moving right along. Got the frame prepped, the notches prepped. All we have to do now is get the welder out. I'll tack them on in a few spots, both of them, and we'll start welding them up. That frame cleaned up and ready to go. Beveled on the insides. Outside is fully welded up. Next, we'll cut the centers out. I'm gonna open the door, turn the fan on, get some air out of some of this fumes and some of the metal particles in the air, I guess, whatnot. Keep moving on. That thing got a little dirty. Got some of this factory tar on the brush and got on that back weld, which will be fine. I'm going to repaint it anyways, but all right, like I said, we'll cut out the centers and we'll prep the plates and get those tacked in, fully weld those in, then I can paint the notches. We'll stand the bed up and cut that support bar. All right, got most of it welded up. When you have a bad weld because of, didn't realize it, but my fan was blowing my gas out of my way in this part. As you see, the weld's killer there, badass. But right here, I kept getting phosphorus. It's hard to explain. Basically, my gasket's out, so it was all bubbly, not really, no good welds. A real good welder who's gonna do it properly will cut the crap out of there and redo it like I just did. As you can see, it started out a little crappy and then it went out perfectly fine. So I came back and I'll cut that out. I started to weld down here and it was looking like crap again. Just wasn't doing what it was supposed to. So we'll get back at it, but mistakes happen. You know, and everybody's perfect. Just make sure you go back and fix your mistake. All right, let's finish this thing up. All right, like I said, the fan on the welder was causing that. But like I said, I cut it out and corrected it. All welded. All the way around the bottom. All right, I'll paint those up and the notches are done. Then we'll stand up the bed, cut the support bar, throw some paint on it, put the bed on, and customer can go back down south below Tampa. Get quite a few of these trucks coming from down there. I appreciate all the support from everyone. If you haven't yet, go hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. If you need any notches done, I'm now gonna be cutting some of my own in-house. We can either do 3/16 or 1/4 inch, your choice. And I'm gonna be coming up with some monster notches and we're gonna go from there. all complete and done. Customer's on his way to pick it up. Again, like I said, if anybody needs any notches done, usually it's 1 day turnaround. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you next time.